Okay, we've got this horrible looking equation, right? Like, what is going on here? We've got an integration, square root, square, and we differentiate it all again. Like, what is going on here? But this is just testing your knowledge, okay? It's using your fundamental theorem of calculus. It's only worth 1 mark, so you're obviously not going to be doing a whole heap of calculations. The steps should be easy. 1 mark indicates that it should be a very easy step. Okay, I'm going to give you an example, and then hopefully you can figure it out. So if I integrate x from 0 to 1, what is that equal to? Well, that'll be x 1 plus 1 all divided by 1 plus 1. And now this is the definite integral, right? So originally I have a line like this. We'll draw it through the axis like this, and I'm finding the area from here to here, from 0 to 1, and that's what I'm doing here. So I go from 0 to 1, and then that is saying it will be 1 squared all divided by 2 minus by 0 squared all divided by 2. So that's just equal to 1/2, right? So now it's just a number, 1/2. So now imagine I had this question. I want you to differentiate with respect to x, okay, the integral from 0 to 1 for x dx. Well, we know all of this right here is equal to 1/2. So we can say, what is the differential of dx of 1/2? Now that there, right, if I draw that on a plot, that's just a flat line. My gradient is equal to 0. The ball won't roll backwards or forwards, so it's equal to 0. Hang on a minute. So it doesn't really matter what's on the inside. If my bounds, right, these are my bounds here in red, if they are equal to a constant value, then I'm just going to get out a number like 3, like -7, and my gradient will be 0. So for this one, that is the key dead giveaway there. So for this one, back to the top right, it's just equal to a constant because A and B are constants. So that's what we do here. So 1 mark, so 1 mark basically for saying this and this all with t squared equal constant. And then to make our life easier, we say the derivative, right, of x of a constant, all of that is going to be equal to 0. So it's more like a theory question than anything else, right? That's all it is. It's just a theory question. So you could just write the whole thing and say it's equal to 0, 1 mark, move on to the next thing. Perfect. Now we've got plenty of exam type questions, kind of like this one, right? It's not going to be in your textbook as often. And if you get stuck doing the same question, you might find that those questions don't appear in your exam. So these are questions that I've collected that are likely to appear in exams and tests. And so by doing them, you're likely to get higher marks. If you're still struggling for tutoring services, online or in person, and also in group classes. So reach out if you have any questions and want some help.